Another jumper. Oh, block ball. France, first goal for France is in. Assist by Jan Malesa. Gelo. Jumper by Gelo using the board. Gelo Roma, 2 points. Edward to Kenji. John Park up. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound by Mark Allegri. Almost lost, recovered by Earl, pass to Kelo, back to Earl, Justin. Wala naman ito. 40 to shoot, Earl de Roma, 2 points. Okay, ganyan lang ha. Foul is called. Foul number 21, Mark Allegri. We just start to connect. Sige, diretso lang. Justin. Jumper no good. Rebound position by Mia Russell no good. Rebound by John. Foul left. Foul number 12, John Ilang. Mark Allegri, no good. Riera for the offensive rebound. Riera is in, 2 points. Kenji. John Ilagan, 2 points. Assist by Kenji Rodriguez. Score 6-4 in favor of Aces. And no good. Continue. Jump ball. White ball. Hey, Roma, 3 points. For in favor of Aces. Gun for 3, too strong, rebound by Riera. Early, another 3, no good, rebound by France. Guardiano. Danis, Ganlagan, put back no good. Garisoli, pass to Francis. And one for Franz Guardiano. Foul number 5. Jerry Roma. Committee, time out ka? Time out first. Time out. Committee, time out. Time out to, public time out. Excited. Sino mo sasabi? Tama na, pre. Bonus shot for Franz Guardiano. Franz leads, score. Score 9-7 in favor of Aces. Ready for sub rep. Ball stolen. Pass to Edward. Blocked by Mark Alegre. Sub. Edward out for Noble Pantaleon. Franz, jumper. No good, rebound by Kenji Rodrigo. Kenji to Noble, 1-over-3. In its target, rebound by Justin Guam. Kenji, back to Jamilat. Arabang score 11-7 in favor of Aces. 3, no good. Offensive rebound by Ernie Roma. No good. Rebound by Kenny Rodrigo. Foul score. Foul number 1, Ernie Roma. First personal foul for Earl, third big foul for Aces. Out of bounds. White ball. Yellow to Justin. Earl wide open. Number 11. And oh, 17 pa. Northern. Back to John. John. Layup is hit by John Maleta. 2 points. Just in no good, that's all. End of the But end of first quarter, stop of 11-9, 2-point lead by Northeastern. Ayun na, 11-9 ha, nag-aalang team score ha. Baka sabihin nyo na naman. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola, black ball. Oh, nakikabiters coming in. Black ball. Good. Japet, pass to John. Back to Japet. Pass to John. In and out. Rebound by Mark Allegra. Maki to Gelo. Man, Gelo de Roma. 3 points. Assist by Maki Gabito. 49 in favor of Aces. Malesa. John. To Japet. Back to John. Malesa, wide open 3. Off target, written by Maki Gabito. Maki to Justin for 3. No good, rebound by John Malesa. Malesa, no good. Back to Japet. Oh, miscommunication. 14 in favor of Aces. Alegre, foul. No foul. Foul number 10, Japet Ortego. First no foul for Japet. First team foul for Napis. Alegre. Together, Del Bates. Pass to Justin. No good. Yellow for white ball. Justin, corner, sizing the D. Pass to early. Push it out. 5 to shoot. Alegre is foul. Jumita is foul. And 1. Foul hit. Foul number 10. Second personal foul for Japet Ortego. Sabre. Japet, dalawa ka na. Japet. Bonus shot for Maki Gabigo. Makes the 3-point play. Lead is extended to 8, 17-9 in favor of Aces. Japet pass to France. In and out. Early Rama for the rebound. Justin Duwab, 2 points. Next time out it. France takes. France is Guardiano at 2 points. Jello bang! Jello Drama, 3 points. It is double-digit lead for Aces. Japet. France. Back to Japet. No good. Early for the rebound. Jello! Layup no good. Rebound by France Guardiano. Next time out there. John Melez at 3 points, assist by Kenji Rodrigo. 22-14 in favor of Aces. Next time out there. Alegre, speed. Mark Alegre, 2 points. Johnny Lagan, jumper in for Johnny Lagan. Timeout. North Aces. Sixteen 24 in favor of Aces. First ball left. Foul number 22. Kenji Rodrigo. First personal foul. Two shots for Valderrama. Two for two for Valderrama. Sends the lead to double digit 10-point lead by Aces. John for three, and John Lagan 3 points. Assist by Japet Ortega. Maki. Pass to early. Lakbo. Japet. Setting it up. Back to Jan. Jan. To Malesa. Malesa to Japet. Back to Malesa. Floater is in. For Jan Malesa. Another assist by Japet Ortego. 26-21. 5 point lead by Aces. Next time rep. Alegre. Nasa to Maki. Maki, no good. Rebound by JC. JC Camara pass to Johnny Nagano with Japet. Ortego. 2 points. Sub. Nyerang out. Sige, pasok. Dapat out for Edward. Third week. John Ilagan, 2 points. One point lead by Aces. Ball stolen by John Malesa. John Ilagan, 2 points. Lamang na po ng isa. 27-26. Snapping, 1 point lead. Foul score. Foul number 26. Edward. That is Edward's first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty na ang snapping. Steve pass to Gelo, corner to shot. And that's the end of our second quarter. Alright, after 2 quarters, Snapping take the lead 27-26. O yung mga natin yan. White ball. Rebound by Jan Melesa. Marquis. Justin. Wide open to Justin too strong. Rebound by Fran Guadiano. By Japet. And it's more by Guadiano. 3-point lead by Statics. Justin Jumper. Justin Gua. 2 points. Japet setting it up for Statics. Asking for screen, boys. Foul number 5. Gelo Loma. Gelo Darby Gelo's second personal foul, first team foul. Another pass by Japet to Bryce. No good rebound by Niera. Justin. Pass to Niera, pass to Earl for 3. Too strong rebound. Offensive rebound by Maki. Maki stolen by John Melesa. What a defense by Statics. John. No good rebound by Justin. Justin 2 points. Statics segment 30-29. Long 3 for Gelo. No good. Early for the pot. Jackson, no good. Rebound by Melesa. Next tablet. This tablet. Tablet shot. Kenji, second personal foul for Kenji. Maki Gabito setting it up. Pass to Justin. Justin Guad. 3 points. Assist by Maki Gabito. 33-29. 4-point lead by Aces. Pass to John. Jumper. Foul number 21. Mark Alegre. That is Alegre. Second personal foul. That's the game. Safety. Jake, pass the punch, punch. Too strong. Ball will go to Northeastern. Justin. Cross court pass to Earl. Apple lang, no good. Alegre for the protection, no good. Rebound by Justin. Justin pass to no good by Gelo Roman. Kenji, no good. ball. Four-point lead, 31-35 in favor of North Aces. Justin setting it up, asking for screen. Justin lost the handle, stolen by Franz Guardiano. Pass to Dilaga. Dilaga, 2 points. Two-point lead by Aces. Justin. Pass to Gelo. Gelo back to Justin. Almost lost. Recovered by Earl. 5 to shoot. Earl. Justin for 3. Short. Rebound by Kenny Rodrigo. Foul number 1, Jake Casilo. Time out, North Aces. Back and forth. Alright, back to the ball game. Maki for 3, no good. Rebound by JC Cabela. Francis foul. Foul number 11, Justin Gua. Second personal foul for Justin. Sub. JC Cabela. Alyon. Kenji to John. For 3 points. Lamang na naman dyan ng isa. Ang Snapix 35-36. Table Snapix. Norwood. Rebound by Kenji Rodrigo. Kenji, pass to Edward Norwood. Ball falling to France from Dano. France attack, up and over Norwood. Pass to Justin. Justin Gua, 2 points for Justin Gua. Over pass to France, setting it up. But miscommunication. Tablang. Justin grew up no good, rebound by Jack. Jack, no good. Foul number 11, Justin Guam. Justin. That is Justin. Third personal for Justin. Kenji. Using getting space, Kenji Rodrigo 2 points. One in for penalty na palang ito. Earl de Roma, 2 points. Over! Ay, ano pala, Edward. Pasok Kenny. Pasok right! And for Van Guayano. Foul number 1, Earl de Roma. Earl de Roma, third personal foul. Penalty na, penalty. Francis Cooper. Earl Capino, rebound by Yera. Wala siya no good. That's the end of our third period. After 3 quarters, North Aces lead by 1, 41-40. Black ball yun. No, black ball. Okay. Kenji, 2. John Malesa for 3. No good. Rebound by Dela Dorama. Maki is foul. Maki Gabito. Number 12, Johnny Lagan. Second personal foul for Johnny Lagan. 2 shots for Maki Gabito. Mati makes the first free throw. Two for 2 for Maki Gabito. Three-point lead by Aces. Kenji spins. No good. Rebound by forgetting always pass to Johnny Lagan. Foul number 10. Wait lang. Okay. Ano ka? Kenji, third personal foul for Kenji Rodrigo. Mark Alegre, what a scoop by Alegre. Lead now by Aces. Kenji attacks. And Giordano assist by Kenji Rodrigo. Alegre back to Gabito. Back, Maki Gabito. 3 points assist by Marga. Gun, wide open 3. Too strong. Foul number 22, Kenji Rodrigo. Fourth, personal. Sub. Ay. Next sub na lang, pre. Nabigay ng bola eh. Kami na rin. Next sub. Third pass to Jello, wide open. No good, rebound by Jan Malesa. Jaya Rod is fouled. Foul number 0, Mang Gabito. Sublet sub. Kenji out for JC Camera. Oras. Tagalas na. Rebound by Elder. Third pass to Justin by Lothar Ogawood. Count time. Pass to Mark Alegre spins. Mark Alegre 2 points by Justin Gua. 8 points lead by Aces. Still by Elder Roma, what keep? Ang tata. Maki pass to Gaylor. Foul number 10, Japet Ortega. Third personal foul by Jap. Third team foul. Eight point eight. Jan Malesa to Japet using the board. Japet overseas by Malesa. Early. Almost stolen. Justin Jua. Jumper in for Justin Jua. Jan Malesa. Attacking the basket. Floater ball. Jan Malesa is in. 2 points for Jan. Early. Arabahan. Time out. Time out. Aces. by Jacko. Jan Malesa, pass to France, France too strong, Justin Gua for the rebound. Foul number Japet, fourth personal foul. Scores 52-46. Foul number 16, penalty. First personal foul for Japet. 2 shots for Justin Gua. For two, asking you. 54-46. JC Tumbera in and out. Rebound by Jeno, pass to Justin, jumper, no good. Rebound by Johnny Lagan. And step back. France, no good. Justin, out of bounds si Justin, out of bounds, napapak, 54-46, pass to John Malesa, stop it, no good, stop it, stolen by Earl, Verona. What a defense by Earl. Foul number 16. Second personal foul. 2 shots. Sabrep. JC out for Kenji Rodrigo. Jello makes the second free throw. 9-point lead by Aces. Japet. France. Anyone for France Guardano. Jello Verona. Second personal foul for Jello. Bonus shot for France Guardano. One more. Maki Gabito, 2 points. Next time out drop, KG attacks the basket, KG Rodrigo, 2 points. Ready for time out drop. Foul. Number 16. Third personal foul for Jan Malesa. Time out drop. Time out, Snapix. Second shot for Justin Gould. 2 for 2 for Justin Gould. Melissa to John to Kenji. Offensive foul for Kenji Vigo. That's Kenji's 5th personal foul. Sabihin si Kenji. JC. Sabihin. Bumaba. Alegre blocked by Bans Marciano. Ilaga is fouled. Foul number 1, Earl De Roma. 4th first foul for Earl De Roma. Setting it up for North Aces, pass to Mark Alegre. Mark. Back to shoot. Alegre. Stolen by John. Japet. Foul number 41, Franz Guardiano. First personal foul for Franz. Over 2 for Justin Luar. Justin Luar. JC Tobera assist by John Valesa. John Alagang steal. No good. For the defensive rebound. Stolen by Mark Alegre. Earl De Roma, picking it up, Earl. Earl to Mark. Quick shoot. Maki Gabito. Foul. Foul. Dapat natigil. Quickly for Earl De Roma. Edward for three. No good. Rebound by Mark Allegre. Three for three. No good. France for the rebound. Pass back to Edward and Melissa. Edward. 2 points by Janet. Bella makes the 10 point. And that's the end of the ball game. Score 68-54. Congratulations to North Aces are going for game 3